In this video, we're going to talk about how you can deploy your OpenClaw to an EC2 AWS server free of cost and how we're going to achieve it. And we're going to use Kimi K2.5 model to power OpenClaw. So let's see how to do that. So you have to click EC2 in the section and you need to click or launch instance because basically you're creating a new EC2 instance out here. And you gotta assign Ubuntu, let it be as it is. And here you need to this won't be sufficient, it's just 1 GB memory. So we're gonna search for something known as T3 large. And you gotta click on launch instance. For the time being, I'm going to do it like proceed without the keypad. Launch instance. Now it's launching your instance, and you gotta click over here. Now you just need to connect. That's it. And connect. Okay. So you're connected to our instance. Now you need to run few commands so that we can install OpenClaw. So first let's go to the OpenClaw's website. Here we go. So just search for Linux. So this is a Linux command. You just need to copy it and paste it over here. Paste. And now it will install every needed dependency to run OpenClaw in our instance. So it's doing that. It's gonna take few minutes. Okay, it's installing OpenClaw. Okay, now it has installed OpenClaw. Now we will go through a setup. I understand this is powerful and inherent risky. Continue. Yes. Onboarding mode, quick start. Okay. And in this case, I'm gonna choose and go with Kimi K2.5 because you get free credits, and I will show you how you can get the API token and stuff. Kimi coding API key. Now you need to paste the API key. So what we're going to do is go to the Kimi website and you need to click on Kimi code. This is Kimi code's website. Then you're going to go to the console, click on upgrade, and instead of the annual plan, you're going to go to the monthly plan, and here you can see a 7-day trial. You can opt it. You get about 2,400 tokens for free. You can utilize this, and this way you can run Kimi 2.5 for free. So this is the way. So you just need to go towards there, and you don't pay anything. You just need to enter your credit card details and etc. And before 7 days, you just cancel it. That's it. So you don't have to pay anything for 7 days. You can opt this option. This is the way where you can get Kimi 2.5 for free. And then you need to go to the console and you need to press on create new API key. I'm gonna make it as OpenClaw bar. Put it as OpenClaw. I'm gonna take this API key and paste it. Take this API key and paste it over here. Paste. So we have given the API key and we're gonna choose the option keep current model to make key K2.5 as default model. And I'm gonna use WhatsApp and integrate it. So now you will be given a QR code. You just need to scan in your WhatsApp by going to a linking device section and basically scan it. So let me do that. So yeah. So here's the QR code. Let me scan it in my device. Okay, so now I just if you have a separate phone where you can set up OpenClaw using that number, you can give that. But in my case, I'm just gonna use I want to give my personal number itself. Let me do that. So let's configure some skills. So what skills are basically? So OpenClaw has some skills like can set up Notion. You can you can set up iPad skills, Notes, Apple Note skills, Notion skills, etc. So these skills help Clobot to learn certain things or do certain things efficiently. So we're gonna configure a few skills for now. Show homebrew install command is for npm. Okay, so I'm gonna select few skills. Okay, I'm gonna take. I need GitHub as a skill. Nano banana, not now. Peekaboo, summarize. Yeah, would need to require that. That's a useful skill to have. And next skill, blog watcher. That's also a useful skill. Yeah. So one thing you need to note is that whenever you want to select something, you select it using the space bar, and if you need to go to the next option you and press enter. That's it. Set API key, no. Gemini API key, no. Notion API key for Notion, not now. Open API key Gen, not now. 11 labs, not now. Okay, so these are certain things which help enable persistent memory in your CloudBot. So basically one feature of CloudBot is like whatever you chat with it, it has already a context about you, and whatever you mentioned a week ago or month ago, Cloud Code remembers. So to enable that, you need to enable these things. So let's do that. Space while selecting the option you want. So I'm gonna select these three options, and I'm gonna press enter. Okay, gateway services installed. How do you want to hatch your bot? I'm gonna hatch in my terminal UI, that is this terminal. I'm not going to use WebUI for now. Okay, so the Claude bot is on. Okay, I'm gonna continue this conversation on my WhatsApp because it's connected in my WhatsApp as well. So I will show you how you can have a conversation there and set it up basically.